In this video, I am going to show you how you can create free RDP within 1 minute. Yes, just 1 minute. No credit card needed. I know you know what an RDP is: remote desktop protocol, where you can have access to remote computers. And I'm going to show you this. All right. Welcome to SAS Media City. Make sure you give me some like and also follow me for more content. I mean subscribe. All right. So let me quickly head straight to the video. Now we are going to use this website called free RDP hosting. All right, now you'll be taken to this website. I'll leave the link of this website at the description. Just click on it and you'll be redirected to this page. Now, before I continue, I'm reminding you that those who want to learn how to create an SMTP server, I have a course on Udemy that teaches you how to create an SMTP server. Okay, so now let's head straight to it. I'll leave the link at the description. All right, and also the first comment. Go and check it out. Now, when you click on the link, you'll be redirected to this page. All you have to do is just click on the free RDP here, or free Windows RDP. Right. When you click on that, scroll down, you can see we have three plans here. We have basic, pro, and the elite. Right. So we are going for the basic, okay, and we are going to get 4 core, 6 gig of RAM, and 20 gig of SSD. Right. So all you have to do is just click on access now. So as you can see, our RDP has been created successfully. We have our username and we have our password. Now, how can we access this RDP? All you have to do is just click on launch basic RDP. Just click on that and you can see that a new page has opened. All right, we need to log in from there. All right, so with this RDP, we are not going to access it on our PC. We are accessing it on the web. You understand? So we are just going to copy the details and log in into our RDP. So paste back here, copy the password back here and paste it. All right, so now this is it. We just have to click on log in and let's wait for the magic to happen. So connecting to our RDP now. All right, so as you can see, this is our RDP. All right, so I can just click on menu. Okay, you can see this is RDP. You understand? This is it. You can see this is the server manager. Okay, you can see it over here as well. That shows this is RDP. I can open a browser from this. Okay, just click on that. And you can see this is the browser. Then I can check which is this, to check where my IP location is. So you can see my IP location is in the United Kingdom. This shows that this is a real RDP. But there is a problem. Now the problem is that with this RDP, you don't have administration access. You understand? So that means you cannot install any application on this RDP. But you can access the web, do everything. You can write text in it. You can do everything without installation. Okay, so that means if you want to install your applications, you cannot do it. You are going to use this for only web and for normal internal usage. But if you want to learn how to create a free RDP that can give you the administration access, okay, all you have to do is just subscribe to this YouTube channel and check out the latest video, because I'm going to make a different video on how you can create a free RDP with administration access. But this is for those who are going to use it for just chatting, for accessing some restricted websites. Okay, they can use this RDP. But if you want to install applications, softwares, then you have to check out the next video or my latest video on free RDP. Don't forget that I have a course on Udemy that teaches you how to create an SMTP server, your own SMTP server that can send more than 50k of emails. So don't joke with that. Subscribe and let's meet in the next video. Goodbye.